Today we're going to be doing this 2016 Kia Optima push to start. Alright, we're going to start by taking off this whole piece here and here. That way we can get to the back here to the fuse box. Alright, we remove this panel. There's a little notch right here that you can get into to pull it out. Clips on the back. You're going to need to take this screw out and this screw out here. Alright, down here we have a screw right here as well, down on the bottom of the dash. Alright, so this whole piece pulls off just like so after you get all the screws removed, and there's the back side of it. We had to actually unplug these plugs right here, which are right here, and then the OBD2 is right here. We just basically pulled out this plug right here. That gives us access to where we need to go right here. Alright, we're going to have to remove this shroud here to be able to get to the push to start. We're also going to have to remove this kick panel because the kick panel we have to get down into here as well. So the top piece pulls up here, and then behind here you're going to have a screw on this side and a screw on this side that you have to unscrew, and a screw underneath here, basically right there. And then this whole piece will pop off and this whole piece will come off too. To take this piece off, you just pull out on it like this and it will pop off. We'll just one right here. The rest of this will just pop all off right here. All right, here's your kick panel right here on the passenger side. The wire is running right here into this. We'll show you a diagram on the pin location on this plug right here, so that way you guys can kind of see where it's at. And then this is our wire right here that's Tessa taped up going into the harness. These are the parts that we're going to be using today. The 1-button remotes from NUSTART, the NU71001, the CM900 brain, which has the slot for the blade on the back, and blade AL. Those are the 3 parts that we'll be using today. All right, so up in here, this is our wire right here going with the Tessa tape with 2 diodes in here, and 2 wires is going right up into this harness right here behind the push to start right here. We'll show the diagram. You pull that out and you tap in 2 wires right there. Right here is our constant wire, pretty easy to get to. Everything's all taped up nicely. Our ground is right here, and then down here in the kick panel you will have ignition, accessory, and you have 3 wires down here basically. Quick, you can see those are tapped right there. So basically down in here with these 3 are going to be your ignition, starter, and accessory, and right up there is going to be your mux wire, which is parking lights, which goes to the yellow wire. We're going to show all this in the diagram, that way you'll know how everything is all wired up. The only wire you're gonna have to wire is over to the kick panel over in the passenger side. We'll show that diagram, and that's for the data wire. Dustin's over here reassembling everything. We've got all of our wiring put in. Everything looks really nice and cleaned up, that way you don't see anything. And then we're gonna reassemble this dash and show you what it looks like when it's all finished. (2016) Kia Optima push to start. Remote start by NUSTART with a single 1-button remote. Parking lights will come on to confirm, and then stay on consistently.